Everybody, human being, where he resides on this land, God is within him, he is playing, he is working. And people finding it yet not settled where it is, unsettled, so far unsettled. So from my side, whatever I research, I told you. I don't know whether I is wrong or right, but people say that is right. Educated, brain people, those who have brain, they say that you are right. The people say me, not from here, from foreign. All and everybody says that you are right. If there is a God on this land, the human being, and he is working here. All creation is he doing like that. And if you want to know it, it is a very easy thing, because we need not to go for find it anywhere. So need what is perfect master. And from where among us someone know all the theory and are practical, that will tell us. Among us, the God is in you, everybody, and whoever realized it himself, he is ready to tell you, and that he can tell. And the Supreme Being is very powerful. We have no approach to him directly. He is like a burning mountain. As you see the sun in the sky, or he is behind sun. Sun and moon all come from him. And we ourselves talking is the part of super being. Super being God. Not sun or moon give us life. And the knowledge, what is the knowledge and what is we are talking and working, all the is given by the God. So God is in you, there is nothing. And if you want to find it out, find it yourself. Need only a perfect master, where he will find, where he will meet you, your desire. If your strong desire, strong wish, or a demand, oh God, I want to see you, then you will see it. Automatically he will come in any form and he will appear before you. Okay? So I told you like that. And now today, I want to tell you how I get this knowledge. How I get this knowledge. That is not for all. This is not one way, everybody know. Different nature have different method. This is not one method is not applied, and that is why I not told like openly, because people have no knowledge about it. How I get, and they don't accept it. No, how it can be? I cannot get. Some say I want to get like you, as you say, and I think that how I was a pure-hearted man, innocent, nothing, no so much knowledge. And only got I what more than I wanted, because I was already boy of the village and come in the army, and the army officer was KSO, King Commission. Though the Lord, Duke, like that, they are here officer. So one officer is very pleased to me, and he attracted. Oh, where you are, boy, very distant. He praised to people. Oh, very good. He will be a good soldier, a good officer. This and this and that. And I am gifted. I am not earned this thing. So step by step, gifted. So how gifted that? I told you in short. Remember. How I gifted, so I will tell you. And how I got this knowledge. I army officer, rank of the Subedar. That was enough for the Indian. Other case, King Commissioner, Lieutenant Captain, other general like that. They are the officer, and from the family of the Lord Duke, like that. That time. It was the 1940s. I joined the army. And 1940, this was second, I fought there. For the 1942, 3, 4, 5. I was in Burma. And from there I come and got the VCO, Viceroy Commission. The Viceroy officer from the royal family, he was working here. All other officer there, he do that. He like a Rashtrapati. He like a king in India. So India was under British rule, and it is a country of the British under rule. So I was Subedar and I was senior. So every day I get report from the duty officer. In the morning he visit at night and then come in the morning and report to me. Sir, everything is all right. At night I visited and watched all the guard were correct at duty, alert, everything was there. But Sir Subedar Dharamchand Dogra, he do not sleep. How? He is sitting always. I see him sitting in front of his bungalow quarter. I don't mind for that. 4 times again he told that all other Subedar Dharamchand Dogra is not showing, not sleeping. He said, I sent for him and he came. I asked him the reason why you do not sleep at night. Why do you sit in front of you? Sir, when I do bhajan, not in the singing, bhajan is something else. Bhajan, it was new word for me because I village led, I have no knowledge about it. I said, bhajan, what is that? That is very nice, sir. I said, how is it? That I cannot say, sir. Later on he said, I am able to tell you. The Guruji only can tell. Who is Guruji? A Sound Singh Maharaj, Guru of the Vyas. He is here, but he is not alive. 1 year, 2 years before, he gone from here. And who is there? A Charan Singh name is Charan Singh. He was advocate, he is relative of the Sound Singh. Then I think, after that idea in my mind, that impression got from Subedar Sahib in my mind. What that bhajan is good, very nice. To young men, and young men, if he is riding on the horse, he was horse. If riding on the car, he car. In umang, happiness. So I go and see the Bhagwan kapda, Bhagwan dresses like a sadhu. I approach him. Do you know bhajan? Say what? That is thing. At last I went to Mahu. There was a big great sant who returned from America, UK. Had been there and very famous. So big pictures or big statues are there in front of him, all the stone, this and that. I said, where is Guruji? Under. He is in the cave and he is doing bhajan. So how to meet him? Somebody said that you ring the bell, he will come out. So I ring, he came out. He was shut the eyes and having a rosary in hand and like that. Sir, I come to know you. What is bhajan? He said, yes, that bhajan is there, this, that. But he was beating over the bush, not told to come to the point. Here and there. So I do not believe as you went this and this, and you do not think that there is truth in you. From there I come. After that I thought to come to the Charan Singh. So it was someday there was a great Sakhi military exercise of the fighting. So my unit also camped near Radha Swami Dera, Vyas, outside. And there I thought, this is Radha Swami Dera, our Charan Singh is here. Oh yes, take. That Subedar told me that here is the Guruji. I told that you be ready, I shall take you there with him. Okay. After that, my superior officer was there, in charge for me. I was technical officer of the wireless and the telephone at that time. I got permission from him. Sir, I want to go there and to meet the saint here. I want to go and ask something to him. But oh yes, you may go, and I shall see all and everything. I took the Subedar Sahib, accompanied me, and we went there. So the Maharaji was sitting there, and 2 singers was sitting there. They read, and Maharaji gave reply, explain about it. Listening that finished, and after that Subedar came and taught us. There was no rule there to taught us. In Vyas there is no. How many people come? A Guru, Duri, yes. But other places they touch the toe to the Guru. But Radha Swami Faith is no time. There is thousands of men there. So Dur said he was weeping, in happiness, he weeping in day to seeing him with love, and weeping and don't think you will get all everything. Talking to him, he turned to me, sir, sir, because their Kurun is here. So he said, sir, Paul, how you come? But sir, I want to know what is the bhajan is. But a bhajan is in you. Sir, I don't know about it. I come to for special purpose. But that I shall tell you sometime after come. First of all, you listen the religious talk from a sant anywhere. I said, sir, I don't know. I am military man. I do not go in city. Never first of all, you there in city, some province. So you may go and approach and listen for him sometime and then come to me. I turn from there. And then I ask somebody, is there any ornament? So anyone is talking or explaining about the bhajan, this and that. But yes, there is a Baba Khanna. Khanna was a Punjabi and he was refugee. They said, Khanna, where is that? He has a coal and a wood store. So there he sit and people come and he. So I got leave in the evening at it. Whatever told the time, or fixed time price is there. Listen him. I could not understand his word. He said that there is, and the bhajan is you, this and that, but complicated thing. 3-4 days, I do not understand. Later on I stopped and thought again to meet to the Charan Singh Maharaj. Again I went to Charan Singh Maharaj and I was not satisfied with him. Then I saw he is also talking, but he don't know what. He himself told, I told that, sir, you come to alone and meet me in my koti. And I daily go there, nobody let me to see him. I said, he is not God. People say Guru is God, all everything. If he is God, he must know that I come to meet him and people do not let me come. So he calls somebody and send him here. If he is God, he is not God. He told that, you come in my koti, quarter, approach me, and there I shall tell you. I said, he said thing like that. I daily go there, and he do not know about me. He is man. He is not God. He said, in my mind. I come and I, by blind faith, go. So I returned from there. I took my bedding and moved. So there was a judge who was in his service. He said, where are you going? Oh, I am going to back. Why? By blind faith that he is God, he is not a God. But no, tomorrow I shall give you chance before the chapel. First of all, he gave the name to chapel, wife and husband both. New chapel. So before that I shall tell the Guruji and he will give you name. I need not. But so then Kal is taking you away. Kal, there is a true name, Kal and Dal. So Kal is taking you away. Well, I don't know. Where you go? Why I go in Jahannam. But hell, I don't bother about it. And I come back. I come back in this way. I was sitting in the bus and was said that I come 10 days leave, I go to earlier, that is useless. Or I come for name, this and that. There is no name, nothing, anything. And going, said. After that I heard somebody that there is a sant, but Fakir Chandji. He went to Aligarh, the session master was Aligarh. He is residence of that. So he sometimes say about him. He prays. I never mind. But that day I did. I told you, ask, where is Sharpur? People say, but he is quite near. When you get down from the bus, you go to the Raksewala, Tagawala, and tell him to take me in the Jalandhar Kent. So you go there, and from Kent the train is go to Hoshiarpur and they come back. Hoshiarpur terminal. The train go and return from there. So you need not you go and get down and ask. I get down, I ask, I want to go to Hoshiarpur and take me Jalandhar Kent. So he took me to Jalandhar Kent railway station, and the train was ready. I got in the train, and then went to Hoshiarpur. There I get down from that, and I told, I forget the name of Fakir. So I got down there, and I asked somebody, is there saint living here? But yes, a great saint. You are going there? Yes. So come please. I shall take you there. Okay. I sat there. He took me in the railway mandi. The railway officer was doing. So Fakir Chand's house was there, 18 number. So he before the 18 house, he get put there, and I stand for him, and I paid him. He come back, and then I went to Fakir Chand. He came out of his house after 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Who are you? I said, sir, I am an army officer, Subedar, this and that. Are you Subedar? Because previous in Ward War second, he saw the Subedar, high man, strong man, and having mustache like that, and I have nothing mustache, and very small. Are you Subedar? Achha. What is your service? What is your age? So it's such a young age you become Subedar? Yes. Very good. Yes. Why you come? I want to ask you what is bhajan? Well, no, I have no time at all. You come 10 o'clock. No, 6 o'clock in the morning. No, 10 o'clock. He will come to 10 o'clock. It was the winter, it was the cold time. So I went there and got in the hotel, and there I took milk and this and that and take a bath. And after that, before 10 minutes, I will cross to his house. And I go there, his was a small room. He was sitting there at a statue of his Guru's stones statue. So there is in front of him. He will let the chair and sit on. No, sir, I sat down. No, I have tight pant, military pant, the color tight. I sat there. And after that, yes, why you come? Sir, I come to know the bhajan. So you approach the Guru? Yes, sir. So what you ask him? Asked what he told him. This he told, and I have no belief, no faith, all blood faith have gone. He is not God. Oh. He said, you see the statue. He was in life. He was my Guru. He was the Maharishi Shishur, they are like this and that. And I went to him, and I took him as a God, and I got all everything what I wanted. And if you don't believe in him, and if you throw stones or say something wrong to him, he don't harm you. What do you mean? Sir, I do not. I believe that he is God. You do not believe nothing. It is your faith. That is like that. If we talk more than I don't believe in that. But he keep hookah, hubble bubble. He put the hookah here and satai and sit in the concentration, meditation. I don't know, 15 minutes or 10 minutes, 20 minutes he meditated. And after that meditation, during his meditation, I also sat the eye simply sat. I don't know, 5 minutes took it or 3 minutes, I don't know what it is. But there is a attraction here. Is my a small child is tip, 6 months or 7 months, tip, in this place. And this is called in the Alakh Niranjan. After Satlok up to here, and here is the tip, this is Alakh. Alakh and then Agam and then distillation. So here And my attention pulled up, and I took such a pleasure cannot be related, very much pleasure. So I go and fly. At the woke up, I stand up and told, sir, this is a impression. I must fly. I am pulling up, going up, and a pleasure that I never to tell you. I cannot tell from my tongue. It is cannot express such a pleasure. Yeah. This is the bhajan and this is the name. This is called bhajan or this is name. You got very easily, lucky enough. I have been trying my best from childhood, and yet I come sometime, but do not stay here. Again I come down. And here again I come. I did so many siddhi. What son? Le. Okay. What you want? Then wealth? Le. Prasad. So I was always in that thing. And do not come. And no, I am thinking, I stay here. You come easily, and I think that you will always have this. You don't go down. So this was the way. But people do not know. People have no such experience. If I say that thing openly, who will accept it? And it was easy. Previously, I realized here, and after slow to Agam, I do not stay there. That is a country like that. This is all. There is a law also. There is a other land here, Agam. So here is the Agampur rain is there, this and that, but I do not stay. I come to the here, and I merge in that. Incidentally, after 8 years, I was in Red Fort, Delhi. There was my unit. The first Rashtrapati Rajendra was come. India became free at that time. So my unit was there. So I was sitting in the mess. In mess, the officers are some drinking, some playing, this and that, and they are it was the dinner night. So we are waiting for the food is ready, and we take all together. That was the system in the English time. So I was there. I was sitting, sofa set simply, and sitting and rising the God's name, the voice, internal voice, and after some time, I forget. I deep in as a deep sleep. The in charge Howlar reported, sir, food is ready. The whole officer got up and went to eat the food. And all gone. And I was sitting like that in the unconscious condition. There was a Sardarji, Subedar Bhajan Singh, who sat there where I sat there, by chair. And he saw that, oh, Subedar Sahib is sitting there. He is senior most, I was senior most. So he came from the other way to me and so, sir, you are sleeping? You are sleeping, what about us? Report holder reported you, and all the officers waited, they are taking food, you are, I come in the sense. Ah, yes. I go with him and sit there and took my food. After there, 2 days I continue to think, what happened this? What happened this? After that, I got leave 2 days and went to Sharpur and approached to Fakir Saji. Sir, this happened with me. Oh, yes, you reached the destination. This is the destination, but you have long, the karma, I told you, the karma, you are the prarabdha karma. Previous life you did, so by balance you have to do. You will come till they not finish, and after when they finish, at that time you will not return from there. You will receive the boss here at the time that so you mix with him and not come in this condition. Go. It was a 62. This incident was in 62. So from there, that is I in the liberated life. I have no attachment. I have no salary. The knowledge come later. Maharaji wrote to the Devichand Mittal, auditor of the pamphlet. He told that one copy must be sent to him. He gave my address, military address, care of 456 CPO, and this and that. So continually I got that. 2 satsang of Maharajji there. I read before coming the pamphlet, a second, 2 times. That is enough. I do. If there is anything, I phone, there is no phone. Write it. At that time there is no phone facility. There was no telephone facility. So I write letter and he reply. And if there anything, in the year 2 or 3 times I go personally and meet him. And meeting him, ask him the question, no sir. And he told him, no sir, all things going on. It is your blessing, this and that. Well, very good. Very good. Do your duty first and religion after. Because religion you reach there, your some last karmas, duty to do. You have to give return or to take. That finish and that you will. So how I got this name, I telling to you that I am gifted, I got that thing. Easily. Did not do bhajan, this and that, and the penance, and this and that, and rakh, and stand the water, and wear the dresses. No. Simple dresses in that. And this I, up to my Guruji said, in 1962, he told that you give some satsang also. Was where, sir? I am military man. In the temple, you every week, all the soldiers and the senior officer, junior officer, go there in temple. Temple of the God in Hindu. You go there and talk to the Panditji, talk to the in charge of the temple, and get friendship. And you say, I shall say. So you say the satsang. So what satsang I gave them? I them you are soldier, do your duty well, this and that, and moral up. I told them, moral up, you do your duty, this and that, this and that. The officer also pleased that he is very good, so he make officer give the training to the soldier. So that like. And whatever needed the people, so I told. And slowly, again, something, slow by slow, villages first I go in and do, during my due, Guruji said that 4 days, there are 7 days in a week. So 4 days you do your own homework, and 3 days you free. The near villages where you go and you distribute to people. That live a happy life, how you can be happy, there should be peace in your house, this and that, and like that. So I give them that. And so after that, I went to Hyderabad, I went to Bombay, I went to so many places, Calcutta, other places. And after that, no, I need not. This is the time to say clearly. Need not for dua, that was that time. Need not. Simply need not. Whatever I say, that will be very plain. And just I am talking here, and so we will publish, and you do, people do. You whatever the thing, and that from me I shall say, and the gentleman will send you, Manoj. He will send you, and you read that yourself, and put in on internet. Previously, Mahatma do not want to take clear thing, so they keep secret. And no, we need not to keep secret, because everybody is educated. You know well what I am talking. You know well, and today's men want proof. So what are you saying? You prove it. Have you seen the God? Can you show me? Like that. So today you need to tell clearly that what you know about that, what you realized, and you have then you say. So today's man is intelligent, so need not to say dua, this and that. No. Tell clearly. And it is the first Mahatma, Pandit Fakir Chandji. Actually, the Mahatma of this period, Kabir, Nanak, Dadu, Paltu, Ravidas. So that Mahatma told it about it. But secret is there. They could not tell clearly. Keep secret something. So no time is you give up this separately, totally in thousands of men you tell there. And this began from Pandit Fakir Chandji. He was the first saint of the world that he told the curtain up the religion. It was in a curtain, so he put the curtain up. And I am doing the same thing. Whatever Baba Fakir was telling at that time, Fakir is not here, I am working in his place. And in the future, you will do the right. What I am telling, if you think it is right, I am right, and take your conscience alone, then you will do that. Fakir will not come. Fakir at that time. I at my time. And in the next time, you people can do it. You realize yourself, if your conscience allows, that this is right, whatever he told, you get by all the knowledge, what I say, internet, this man will supply. This translation all he will supply to you. I tell him, confirm, and he will supply. And you put in you read yourself though 2-3 times. The same thing, and then give it to load it in the YouTube. So all the people of the world, English knowing, will know it all clearly. And English is general language of the world. Every word is there. There is some countries that they don't know, but they are also learning. Because the world's language, any member go there and he should know English, then we can communicate. If American, African, Russian, anything, no. So in English you say this thing, so that thing will in the world go, and people will awaken. They know the God is here. They don't go to find it out in themselves. In the English, and when English go there, the somebody of the Chinese, he will translate in Chinese that thing. So China people know. Follow me? Get me in? So you are here. If you have confidence and you think truth, then otherwise not to copy to me. If you are confident that this is right, whatever Captain wrote, that is right. If you are conscious alone, then you do. Not blind faith. Okay. Anything more? So this was the thing which how I get this name.
Yes, thank you Maharaji for telling how you got spiritual
but this
knowledge.
This is for me, and you
yes.
can do it. You are getting easy.
Yes.
You are sitting here. You went anywhere. I myself come to your house. You are getting such a way. I will not get this like this. I went to Soman Mahatma, and at last there I got. And the gentleman have here Radha Swami, Agra, Vyas, and this, and took name and practice and this and that, and then come. And you directly I come to hear you. And the gentleman is also coming to you. You are lucky enough.
Thank you, sir.
So is it the way to people wonderful, and we do a lot of struggle, then they get. So you are in the same way. Easily we all come here. I myself come to awaken. And I give impart what I understood. And you are lucky enough, so easily you are sitting here and getting this. You don't say this and that, and you bring this and bring for me this and that. No. He is not, Guru wanted this thing. So one thing comes so that I build a building, this and that, and go in the fly, airplane, this and that, share for the public money. And I have this, that you give me some, offer some money. If I use 1 rupee of your, I am bad man. I go in hell. When I know why. Have you right? No. And you are in my living, and then I impart this. I earn my living, I get a pension, a lot of sufficient more than I wanted. You bought the share of the religion. You get all everything. And I told him, you take this and explain me where is to spend. Give the people knowledge. For knowledge you will give that. Any questions to ask? And no today is what is?
The subject is be human first, be man, and then you will become a spiritual person.
Be man. We are men, but our thinking is such a bad that is not good. Sometimes irsa, sometimes we are angry and think such man is not good and this and that. I suppose madam says something you feel it. If you pray, my husband is good, then you are right. But if say there is weakness in you, you like that. I think that your mother is like that, your father, then you will be angry. And at that time you are thinking calmly. According to the law of radiation, he go up in the sky. And there in some place where they stay. And in the due course of time, it will come back like a current, and from where they start there in your home. And in your home you will get some trouble. Whatever you want, that you will not get. And you will feel sorry. So this is the thing. Only if you know what is the trouble, there is no trouble. God in you, no trouble, no worry, no sorry. Ignorance. Ignorance is this here. What ignorance? What I am thinking. Simply you make your thoughts clear, that always have positive thinking. Positive thinking result will come in your favor. And negative thinking made you unhappy. That is not successful, that you want lot of profit in your business. And if you are always positive thinking, then get more than you expected, and you are happy. So this is the sukh, happy. And if you do not get the expected, sorry. So from where they come? From you. So always a positive thinking. You are thinking of very much power, godly power. So always think, and what you talk from your tongue, you make so soft and so pleasing, the other will feel happy. He calls good name to other. Oh, friend, come. Yes, how are you? Don't bother about it like that. To make happy to other, you will get happiness. Whatever you give, so you will take. We give trouble to the other, and we want pleasure. How do we get? To the mother, to the wife, to the husband, to the brother, to the relative, to the other, to the servant, and we want happiness. So Kabir said in that thing, you have sown the seed of the thorn, and you want a mango. Whatever you have sown, you shall reap. What you sow, so shall you reap. So you sown, you give the trouble to all the people, and you want the happiness. Whatever you give, so you take. Some say, sir, I am sorry, my son is not working, this and that. You will say, Kabir said it simply. You have sown the seed of the thorn and you want mangoes. It means that you have given to trouble to all and want to happiness. Mother, father, all they make unhappy. So make them happy, then you will get. You sow the seed of the mango, you will get mango. You give happiness, you will get happiness. You give pain, you will get pain. This is the give and take. Rule is this. Whatever you give, so you will take. You give the pain and want happiness. So for that is positive thinking. Always think good for you or for other. Always think good for yourself and other. To your positive thinking, and you will get the pleasure for that. In return, you will get pleasure, happiness. That is, when something happen according to your wish, you say, good luck. Good luck, I got good luck from where? You have told the result of your positive thinking. And if you want to, that thing is not come to in your favor, then you say bad luck. From where does that come? From negative thinking. The result of negative thinking is trouble, pain, this and that. But the result of the positive thinking is all in your favor. So simply you change your thinking. Always have positive thinking. Always be happy in yourself. Always be happy. So happy man never think evil for other. So this is the Siddhanta.
Charity begins at home.
Charity begins at home. This begins at home, this thing. If you are happy at husband and wife are happy, the children will see mother, father happy. If they say good thing, say good thing. If you are happy at your home, then when you go in the world, everything you will find happiness. Charity begins at home. So it is started from the family. So in family, if you are happy in your family is happy and smiling all, never frown anybody, and never worry and sorry, never be serious. Oh, children come laughing, and father says, how are you? Take? All right? Oh, okay, come. And mother says, oh, my son, God bless you, this and that, like that. Please. And mother says, you are become a great man. And great men have not such quality to do that word. Use good word. Please use good word. So mother is the first teacher. Mother is the Jagajanni. All the people of the come from mother. Any doubt, whatever we talk.
Service of the people is service of the God.
Service of the people. Service. If you service your mother, father, this in at home, this is the service of the God. God is in them. God in the people. So service of the people is service of the God. First of all, you serve to your member of family, certificate at home. Then you will serve the other people. Where the man is working, he is serving the poor. Where the man is working, sweeper is working there, He is service of the people, because if you do not sweep the road, the vehicle cannot go there. All the doctors are service of the people. The people come there. All the men, IAS, IPS, man is service. I serve the God. Or I do everything for that. So whatever you are working, where you are working, that is for man. If you are making shoe, then that is for man. If you are stitching the cloth, that is for man. It is unknown. He is serving people. If he serves well, then he will get well. The service of the people is service of the God. So we are all the men, human beings on this world are service to these people. Whatever work they do for their bread and butter. But that is for service of the people. Bread and butter is necessary. Bread and butter in business all necessary for thing. You take it. What is needed and what profit is able, you take it. But that is service of the people.
The house where there is no peace, he cannot find peace anywhere. जिस घर में शांति नहीं, कहीं शांति नहीं मिलेगी उसको.
This is, if there is no home peace, suppose in a home there is no peace, you won't find anywhere. No peace. If there is no peace in a family, remember you in the family in which you live, then you won't find anywhere the peace. So first is your housewife. In your house always should be peaceful, all and everything. And think.
If you honor, you will become rich, and if you insult, you will become poor.
Whatever you give, so you will take. If you honor the other will wish for you that happy. He is happy. If you are the service other, so if you give respect, you will take it as respect. You will give respect to all. Good morning. Others say good morning. So if you say something wrong, then that. So whatever you do, say, that should be for you, or return to office. This is the thing. What you give, so you must take. If you give pleasure, pleasure. If you give help, to help. If you give somebody treatment, doctor, then that is the help. And he will bless you. I think more.
Yes, complete.
Any question about this one you may ask me.
Maharaji, I have one question.
Little Lord, sir, it is being recorded there.
Okay.
Other people are sharing, suppose that you will thousands of people sitting.
All the world is hearing. I did not understand. When you were in Beas, the master in charge was Charan Singh Ji at that time. And you asked him, what is bhajan? You asked him 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. And he could not satisfy you. He could not explain you. Did I understand correctly this? He could not.
Say to me. What did he ask him?
He is saying when you were at Radha Swami Vyas.
No, tell him no.
He is saying that when you were at Radha Swami Vyas, Sant Charan Singh Ji was there, and you asked many times to him, but he could not quench your thirst. He could not tell you about it. He could not tell you why.
Why? Because he do not know about me. He do not have knowledge about it. He was not God. If he was God, then he will tell me.
He himself was not having a knowledge of it.
No, listen to me. He do not, because he said you come separate in Kothi, and that I will tell you. And I was several times I went there in Kothi. Nobody let me stay there. Go. You are not called. Maharaji called somebody else. You go there. And he said that you come in Kothi. I said I daily go there. If you God, then you should know. And you call me, come my son. Why you come for that? You have no knowledge about it. So you are not God.
Okay, he could not explain. But his master was Savan Singh Ji. So Savan Singh Ji could tell maybe, but he had passed away. He was not alive anymore. Is this correct in this time?
Actually, if I am not wrong, they all keep the secret. And other they do not know secret. You listen about the sound sing. Once Pandit Fakir Chandji, with his guru, at expiring, his guru was going away, told, if you have asked anything, doubt, After me, you approach to Sound Singh. His Guru said, Baba Fakir's Guru, that if you have anything after me, ask, have to ask, need. Then you go approach to the Sound Singh. All right, sir. Some years after the Baba Fakir spoken the truth, that I never go. People say, you come here and see this and that. He said, I do not go. And no Guruji go like that. No Guruji go. It is the man who have faith, he make. So their assistant or Shakti listen this thing, and they come to this. Oh Buddha, if you speak like that, he shall beat you. Why you are speaking? My Guruji go and they say whatever, come to me. Why are you saying so? They treat him. They treat him in future, you do not speak this like this, we shall punish you. And then they what to do? To whom I ask? Babaji said, you tell the truth. My Guru told truth, and people do not let me to speak truth. So why not go to, he said, ask anything, question, ask the Sound Singh, if you are in doubt. So he went to meet Sound Singh ji.
He went Vyas.
Vyas. To meet Sound Singh, ask him what to do. Then he went, seeing him, people daily complained against him. So Sound Singh know him. Baba Fakir, why you come here? Why did you come? But I come to you, at dying time my Guru said me, if you have any doubt, anything, you can ask Sound Singh. So I come to you. But what truth? Okay, I have to share truth, universal truth, what I understood, not the here and there and this. And if I say the truth, whatever I realize, the people treat me, not people sitting there all, those who are against him, they do not let me to speak. So what to do? Sound Singh told, Fakir, it is to tell the truth. I myself cannot speak truth, because these people don't want truth. They come, my son is not order this and that, whatever the reality I could not tell. He asks the other thing. First thing, the people do not come for that thing. And second, my Guru said me, build a good ashram, good building, this and that. So for that, if I tell truth, nobody give me money. If you speak truth, how much give you money? Nobody give me money. So for that thing, I could not speak the truth. So future, you come here. 1, 2, 3. You are always I am with you, and you tell the truth, and the people are listening. His flower. I could not speak. So I bless you, you tell the truth. I shall be with you always. This word was something. Baba Fakir told like that to all, everybody in the. And for that day, he began to speak truth. Since that day, nobody complained against him. And he told the truth. That only living Guru can give you jnana and remove your doubt. Your died Guru, you suppose whatever told, that is for that time. He could not give you the living Guru. Now you are searching, other living Guru will give you now, who is living in that. Jnana means knowledge. Treatment, suppose that, take the example of doctor. If there is a good doctor here and he expert, he is not in body, and people express about this and that and this. Nothing. Only live living doctor, you test you and ask the symptom, what trouble you are suffering, you tell, then he will give the resolution. As the living doctor he can give the treatment, the living Guru can remove your doubt. The Guru who has gone cannot. The Fakir is the first Guru, no, who spoke the truth. He tells the truth only, clearly. Up the sacred, what is sacred, open the door.
And one more question. In the Beas Satsang, there is maybe 1% of the people, old people, good satsangis, very devoted, they have sound and light. But mostly they were very close to their Guru. through their work, their seva. 1% maybe. They think this is done by the guru, but it is their faith only that made this. Is this correct? That the faith brings them sound and light. Faith in the guru.
Yeah, you tell loudly.
He is saying that in the Radha Swami Vyas Dera there are few people who experience light and sound.
Yes.
So that experience is given by the guru, or it is coming their own from their own inside.
Idea will give guru. Idea will give guru. Because there is sound you realize and this and that. This is the impression from outside. If he did not give a impression, and you meditate, nothing you will. If he says that there is a light and this and moon and this and that, so you realize that thing. He said there is sound, this and that. If out guru not give, they won't automatic. And if they automatic get that thing, useless. Suppose that one stone is very valuable, hira, diamond, and you got that thing, and you have no knowledge about the diamond. A diamond is very precious, like that. You get it, and they say, good, very good. And after that, you threw it. Because the ideas is given out for it. And then he can, then idea get from outside. Then you get it. So the guru give ideas to a disciple that you meditate, and you first of all you see the shape of the guru, your ideal. Then you will, if you do not give the idea that you see in that your guru, your ideal will come here, Ram, Krishna, Devi or Isamasi, anything. Then you won't, if it is not told you don't. The idea is given from outside, living guru, and then you realize that thing. If he do not give this idea, you don't realize. You shut the eyes and sit. Nothing.
Are you getting?
Idea is given for outside, living.
Okay, he wants me to explain. Maharaj Ji is saying that Guru will explain you the theory of the spiritualism. He will tell you the stages of meditation, what to see inside. He will tell you each and everything. Then you will learn the theory, and then you start meditation. Then only the inside things will come to your experience, light and sound. If he doesn't tell, you will not be able to experience those things. So he can give you the spiritual knowledge theoretically. Then you have to meditate and see these experiences inside you.
So get the idea from the
Guru gives you the idea. He teaches you the things.
If he did not say you that you realize this,
you will not realize anything inside you. He is saying there is a man in the Vyas who is experiencing sound inside him.
Yes.
So will he merge in the God, super being?
If satsang is not given, not merge.